The overall value for ARM it was greatly underappreciated until we tried something different, and then we noticed a significant drop. Was thinking it would be minuscule, and instead it wound up being 20 to 40%, and that's huge. And when you're constantly trying to grow and you're competing against other people in your marketplace, having that kind of drop is not great. The overall experience has been pretty good. It's pretty seamless. It's seamless, and it just makes the phone ring. I mean, that's the best thing I can say about it. When the service is active, the phones are ringing, and we're getting calls, and we're getting the customers we need. With any business, numbers are key. Having good data to make decisions based off of is the utmost importance. Having a clear, understandable, and something that makes sense to reference those numbers from is great. And the dashboard, I'm looking forward to the new dashboard, especially, and just excited for being able to track things and analyze what it's doing for us. We have good information. Without that, it's hard to make decisions for growth. Without that, it's hard to make decisions for manpower. So the clarity of having the information and the numbers right in front of you is awesome. If you take the opportunity to give Appliance Repair Marketing a chance, they're going to deliver what they tell you they're going to deliver. The phone's going to ring. You're going to get leads. And if you're closing those jobs by the phone, you're going to retain that customer, and you're going to get the work you need. We've typically grown just month to month, and ARM has been a big part of that. If you invest into it, it's going to work.